Hello everyone, my name is Ganpati Thakur. I came from a mechanical engineering background, and after long year of preparing for government examination, I decided to join with Evision 45 days on-job training. During this limited time frame, I learned a lot of IT infrastructure related things like networking, cybersecurity, CCNA, Windows administration, virtualization, Windows Server, and many more things. A part of this, I gain some hands-on experience kind of things, which help me to, achieve this kind of offer from a microland. And I really appreciate a vision to maintain that kind of incredible faculties. And thanks to Vision entire team to help me to, enter into the IT sector. A special thanks to Miss Nidhi ma'am and Ganesh sir, who helped me to, achieve this. And